Hello guys, Rob here. There is just a little over 7 hours left until we get the Block 1 June 1 announcement, and there are some major news outlets claiming they know what is coming. So from Bloomberg.com, Block 1 launches social media app as Facebook preps own coin. So this article from Bloomberg says Block 1 is going to launch a new social media application today, called Voice. It uses the EOS digital ledger that Block 1 helped create to let the users post, share, and promote content. Every action is registered on the EOS blockchain. So they are saying Voice is what will be coming out as Block 1's social media application. So right now, this is what you get when you go to voice.com. This is the URL that's being circulated right now. Not much to see here except for a sign-in, username, and password. But I did a little bit of digging. If we go to the icon Whois database and look up voice.com, it does have Whoisguard, so we can't tell who the registrar is, who the account contact is, who the tech contact is, because they do have Whoisguard on. But what I found interesting here is this was updated May 30th, 2019. So just a couple days ago. Now, with that said, people have been talking about a social media app coming out from Block 1. And if we look what Dan said this morning, Dan said this morning in the EOS Telegram. There are several big things that no one has guessed that I have seen. I'm super proud of our loyal dev team for helping keep the surprise. So, everyone's been talking about a social app, and Dan comes out this morning and says there are several big things that no one has guessed that I have seen. He has definitely seen everyone talking about a social app, but he's saying there are several big things that no one has guessed. So, if Voice is the social app coming, according to Dan, there are going to be several other big things that no one has guessed yet coming out as well. So, only time will tell here. We have the announcement just a little over 7 hours away as of the time of this recording, happening tonight. Get excited. I can't wait. I'll leave a link in the description to this countdown timer on EOSnewswire.1. But only a couple more hours to speculate on what is to come. Is it Voice.com? Is Voice.com what Block 1 is bringing to the social media game? Could it be Block 1? We'll have to wait and see just a couple hours from now. But Bloomberg definitely thinks that is it. They've come out saying Block 1 is releasing a social media application, calling it Voice. But you also have Dan saying there are several big things that no one has guessed yet. So if Voice.com is what they are coming out with, it's just a piece of the pie. There are other things to come as well. So if there are any more updates or any more hints dropped, I will keep you guys updated. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Subscribe to HODL EOS on Twitter, linked in the description. And I will also leave the link to the countdown timer here as well. But that's it for me for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one.